Hi guys, welcome back. Comment down below. Like, subscribe, click that like button, and just give me more love. Give me lots of love. That's what I meant to say. Give me some love. And so today we're gonna do some satisfying noises. If you guys are wondering why my hands are stained green, I was actually playing with slime and I put dye in it and yeah, I made them green. But anyway, guys, before we get started, I got a challenge for all you watching. Can you click subscribe, like, and comment in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. All right, guys.